Alright, hey guys, long time no see. Welcome back. Another video. This video's been like 3 weeks in the making. Yeah, so the other day I bought an exhaust from Remark. Yeah, and then over the weekend I just put it on real quick. I shot some video of it, but there really wasn't enough footage to really do like a tutorial. Well, not really. I got enough footage. It's just like there's not enough to do. All you do is just take off the bolts and put the new one on, and like that's it. It was like a fast, simple process. Like I don't really think you need a tutorial for it. If you want, let me know, because I put that together in like 2 seconds. Yeah, so the exhaust is on. You might be able to hear it right now a little bit, but I guess I'm just gonna grab some sound clips and then that'll be it. So yeah, I guess technically the first mod on my car is an exhaust. Alright, so thanks for hanging out with me. I love talking to myself. Alright, later guys. Thanks for watching. Go for it.
Alright, welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you?
Yes. Can I get a sausage McGriddle meal?
Sausage McGriddle meal?